So again, if you're working off an enclosure design that comes from me, I'm going to provide rough dimensions of all the pieces. What I like to do is I like to take a piece of my wood, make sure it's a straight scrap piece, and I'm basically going to mark out on here with pencil where each piece goes. So we got the baffle, which is going to have 2 pieces. Again, your pencil line will add some thickness to your wood, so you got to account for that. In this process, we're really just trying to get the back piece is our most important piece. In the process that I do, I only need 1 angle on the top. If you guys would like to follow along with how I build them, you can just cut 1 angle on the top, but for a normal enclosure, if you're not going to follow through with the final finished design I do, you will have to cut an angle on both sides of your top piece. So we got our baffle laid out. Next piece is our top, which goes all the way from the baffle and runs all the way straight back off the back of the enclosure. Our bottom piece is a full piece as well. And again, remember, if you're using scrap wood, if you're like me, I have a whole bunch of different materials in the shop, and 3/4 plywood is not always 3/4 plywood. So make sure you're using something that is the same thickness as what you're building the enclosure out of. So now we got these pieces marked out.